Okay. Did I bring that forward? Yeah. Hello, Mary. This is Anthony. What are you doing tonight, girl? I've been thinking about you. Thinking we might ought to get together sometime. Go out to a movie. What? Just a second. Just a second, Mary. Oh, damn. Oh, shit. Man, them damn chili dogs done got to me, I think. Hey, let me get it back on the phone. Let me see, what's it, 3 o'clock? Hello, okay, Mary, yeah, I was just thinking we might go to a, you know. It's an earthquake. Now that's what it is, Mary. It's an earthquake. Things fell off. Yeah, you know, the beams are falling and everything, so it's an earthquake tonight, so you know how it is. Living out here in California, it needs to work out, you know, an earthquake. Let me get this beam off my head and get my dust off it. Yeah, a little bit, okay? I was thinking we might... Oh, yeah. Stinks that bad, huh, that you can smell it over the phone. Yeah, I'm taking a shit, Mary. I guess what did it don't hang up with it? Yeah. Hell. Well, shit. Yeah, where's the damn toilet paper at? Shit. Where's that damn toilet paper, man? Oh, hell with the toilet paper, man. I don't even care. But at least I took a good hearty shit, so I guess I'll be alright tonight. Guess I'll be alright tonight. Yep.